Renovating your bathroom can be an exciting but daunting task, especially when you're on a tight budget. However, with a bit of creativity and strategic planning, you can give your bathroom a fresh, modern look without spending a fortune. Here are some budget-friendly bathroom renovation ideas that will help you achieve a stylish and functional space without breaking the bank. 1. Plan and prioritize. Before you dive into your bathroom renovation, it's crucial to plan and prioritize your needs. Make a list of what you want to achieve and categorize them into must-haves and nice-to-haves. 2. Refresh with paint. One of the most cost-effective ways to transform your bathroom is with a fresh coat of paint. Opt for light, neutral colors to create a sense of space and brightness. 3. Update fixtures and hardware. Swapping out old fixtures and hardware for new, modern ones can instantly update the look of your bathroom. 4. DIY where possible. Tackling some of the renovation tasks yourself can save you a significant amount of money. 5. Repurpose and upcycle. Get creative with repurposing and upcycling items you already have. For instance, an old dresser can be converted into a unique vanity. 6. Add a splash of tile. While tiling an entire bathroom can be expensive, you can add a splash of tile in strategic areas to create a focal point. Consider adding a tile backsplash behind the sink or creating a feature wall in the shower. 7. Use mirrors to create space. Mirrors can make a small bathroom feel larger and brighter. Consider adding a large mirror above the sink or even a mirrored cabinet. You can find affordable options that add both style and functionality to your bathroom. 8. Accessorize thoughtfully. Finally, don't underestimate the power of accessories. New towels, a stylish shower curtain, and coordinated bathroom accessories can pull the whole look together. 9. Opt for affordable alternatives. There are plenty of affordable alternatives to high-end materials that still offer great aesthetics and functionality. For example, consider luxury vinyl flooring instead of hardwood, or laminate countertops instead of natural stone. Conclusion: renovating your bathroom on a budget doesn't mean you have to compromise on style or quality. By planning carefully, making strategic updates, and getting creative with DIY projects, you can achieve a beautiful and functional bathroom without breaking the bank. Remember, small changes can make a big impact, and with these budget-friendly bathroom renovation ideas, you'll be well on your way to creating the bathroom of your dreams.